what is really heartbreaking is there's a little pair of wrens, a blackbird, robins, all flying around the outskirts of where the plantation was, looking for their own homes. The wrens are particularly distraught. They're round a large ash tree that wasn't part of the plantation. The one in front of me there with the ivy growing on it was a natural tree. Okay, it was dead, but it's covered in ivy, and that is obviously where they were using for shelter for the winter, and they are searching around for their home in amongst the devastation that was once their territory.